Pagbubukas ng kauna-unahang planta ng baterya para sa e-vehicles, pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Si Alan Francisco sa detalye. Rise and shine, Alan.
To the entire team behind the St. B. Gigafactory, thank you for taking this leap of faith with us. You have established a foundation for a cleaner, greener, and more prosperous Bagong Pilipinas.
Yan ang target may sulong ng STB Gigafactory sa Kapas Tarlac nang pangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang inaugurasyon nito. Ang kumpanyang ito ang kauna-unahang manufacturing plant para sa Advanced Lithium Iron Phosphate o LFP batteries. Ginagamit ito sa paggawa ng renewable energy at electric vehicle industries na mayroong kabuang 7 billion pesos project cost.
This inauguration of the St. B. Gigafactory is a remarkable example of what happens when our national agenda of promoting clean energy intersects with a solid commitment from the private sector. Your Excellency, Ambassador, you hit the nail on the head there. This is the best example that we can show, not only because we have finally brought it to fruition, but we brought it to fruition in what I consider to be record time. In fact, this development is among the pledges that we received during the Philippine Business Forum in Australia, Melbourne, last March. In Canberra, 6 months later, we are witnessing how this pledge has come into reality.
Ang mismong kumpanyang STB Capital Partners na nakabase sa Australia ang nagpondo rito. Kapartner nila ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas. Ito ay resulta ng Philippine Business Forum na dinaluhan ni Pangulong Marcos sa sidelines ng ASEAN-Australia Summit noong Marso. Sabi ng Pangulo, bunga ito ng magandang samahan ng Pilipinas at Australia.
It sends this message to the world. The Philippines is now ready to innovate, to lead, to become the go-to destination for high-tech, high-impact investments.
Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, magbibigay ito ng inaasahang 5 billion pesos investment projection. Higit 2,000 Pilipino naman ang mabibigyan ito ng trabaho.
So from engineers and technicians to administrative personnel, it is about nurturing homegrown talent and offering opportunities that match the ambitions right here on our own soil.
Umaasa ang Pangulo na sa paglulunsad ng pabrikang ito ay mahihikayat ang iba pang investor na pumasok at magtayo rin ng renewable energy investments sa Pilipinas. Inaasahang magsisimula ang commercial operations ng pabrika sa susunod na buwan. Mula sa Kapas Tarlac, Alan Francisco, para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.